How is it going, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Beautiful day here in sunny North Carolina. And today's video is about something that I got in this box. What is it? Who is it from? We'll get right back to that. Welcome back. I'm glad you can stick around. Yes, sir. Now, like I said, I got this box. Where did it come from and who sent it? I was contacted on Instagram by a company called Lithium Elixirs. Yes, if you do a search on YouTube right now, you can find a few videos on their products and everything. And it's really cool. From what I've seen, they make great products, but I was contacted and asked if I wanted to give them a try. Now, to be fair to this company, I have had this box for a couple weeks now, but I have not opened it. I wanted to do it with you guys and gals here, but the weather just has not been cooperating. Plus, I've been working 14 to 16 hours a week, so it's dark when I leave, dark when I get home. But I've had it for a couple weeks, and I just had to do something because these people were kind enough to send the stuff to me free of charge. I guess you could call this a sponsored video because they sent it. But Josh Crawley from Lithium Elixirs contacted me and asked if I would be interested in trying some of their products. And I said, certainly, with the understanding that I would give an absolute honest review. If it's good, I'll say it's good, and if it's not, I'll say it's not. He agreed. He said he wouldn't expect anything less, and I mean, that says a lot about a company to agree to terms like that. That means you know your products. That means you have confidence in your products and you're willing to stand behind them. So that right there got bonus points with me, because I've had a couple other companies contact me and they didn't like that too good. They never sent the stuff either. But Josh Crawley, thank you very much. Lithium Elixirs, I'm fixing to do the opening, and let's get this show on the road. Now, in all fairness, I want to put this video out just to show that I got the stuff. I'm not going to be doing anything today with it. Those videos are upcoming or forthcoming, however you want to say it. But I just couldn't hold on to this stuff any longer and not do something. So I'm doing this to show what I've got in here. I don't even know what's in it. I've seen other people's stuff that they got, but I have no idea if it's the same or anything. He just said, I'll send you a few things, and here we go. To get the car prepared for this, I like being totally fair, totally honest. So I have not been washing my car. Like I said, we've gotten 2 weeks worth of rain, believe it or not, here in North Carolina. North Carolina with rain, is we either live in a rainforest or the desert, one or the other. But I have washed it a couple times, and I've done it with just regular dishwasher liquid. I wanted to get all the wax off of it. And before I show any of the products going on the car, I'm going to wash it one more time in Dawn. And this will be the only time I recommend using dishwashing liquid, because dishwashing liquid removes grease, waxes, and stuff like that. So I've been washing it in it, and I've been drying it with a non-approved towel, a regular household towel, which, as you know, is mainly cotton, but the stitching in it is always polyester, the cheaper ones that is. And I am almost 100% positive underneath the dirt that is on the car from me mowing the grass, driving in the rain and all that, is going to be some spider webbing or some halos. I guarantee it, doing what I've done. But I wanted to be fair to the products. I wanted to be fair to the company. And I'm also doing it on a black car so you can see the before and the after. So let's get this box open. I've got my letter opener. Alright, before I cut myself or cut anything that I shouldn't be cutting that is valuable to me, I'm going to put these on. And I've got the letter opener, like I said. So let's get this show on the road. Like I said, I have no idea what is in this box outside of car care products. No idea. Let me find where the box goes together. There we go. That way I'm not trying to cut the box. Okay. close that for safety. And it is the same kit that everybody else is getting, so that's cool because I want to try some of this stuff. Nice little bubbles. They sent me their Hide Rehab, which is their leather conditioner, and this is some pretty cool packaging too. It's real eye-catchy and it just grabs your attention. Very clean, very professional looking labels, but that's their Hide Rehab, that's for their leather conditioner. And then we've got their Trim Serum, which is for their rubber and plastic. It says so right there on the label. We've got their Seal and Squeal, which is their Insane Sealant Polish. Remember, that's a polish. And we have their Gloss Sauce, which is their Ultra Premium Wax Protectant. And then I've got their packing label, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all that's in there. Now, I'm going to be honest, I was kind of hoping, because I really wanted to try this, because I saw it on another channel. I was really kind of wanting to try their, which I'll order it, no big deal. After I need it, I'll order it just to give it a try, because like I said, these were sent to me, so I want to show some support by buying the product from them, so I'll get it. But I really wanted to try their lube and their clay bar, because I saw it on another channel, Fab Automotive Detailing. Anybody that knows me knows that he's one of the ones that I follow and support his channel. He tried it and he said that their lube actually put on a little bit of protectant, which helped provide beading, which is kind of counterintuitive when you think about clay bars, because when you clay bar something, you're removing everything and it's supposed to leave nothing on there, and then you come back behind it and do your paint correction. But the Lithium, I forget the name of it, I'll look it up and insert it here. Their lube leaves behind a little bit of protectant that actually provides water beading. And I was like, that's pretty cool actually, because if you are checking your car and the front of your car needs to be clay bar but not the whole thing, and you don't need to paint correct your whole car, actually having some protectant in the clay bar lube as you clay bar it is actually pretty smart, because then you don't have to go right back and wax your whole car. In other words, what I'm trying to say is, you clay bar your car, and let's say you get home late in the afternoon, or you've been busy doing something else, but you know you got to do this to your car. You can hit it real quick and it has a layer of protection on it until you come back and actually wax that section. So that's actually a pretty cool take, but I was wanting to try that on my own, but that's fine, no big deal. Like I said, I'll purchase it and give it a whirl. Now let's read what each one of these say. Now let's start with Lithium's Gloss Sauce Ultra Premium Elixirs, 16 ounces of insane results. It says that it's a T1 carnauba wax, emulsified with natural oils, no solvents, amino functional polymers. Now it says Gloss Sauce Ultra Fine Wax Protectant. And forgive me for having to do it like this, but I gotta get the light so I can see. Gloss Sauce represents everything we have learned over the past 20 years when it comes to making your car's finish healthy and insanely beautiful. It is an elixir made from the finest T1 carnauba wax, natural oils, and amino functional polymers, which adhere to paint surface better than anything on the planet. Wow, anything on the planet. Directions: apply Gloss Sauce to clean, cool surface only. So you're not going to use this out in the sun. Allow wax to cure for several minutes, then remove with a microfiber towel. Buff to an incredible shine. For more tips on becoming a waxing guru, go to lithiumautocare.com. And one thing great about their products, right there, made in the United States. Now what's interesting about this is it doesn't tell you how to apply it. You know, like some will say do a small section. Griot's recommends doing like a cross hatch pattern, you know, like you do up and down and side to side. That way you cover everything. They're really not picky about how you apply it, so that's pretty cool. Doesn't even say what to apply it with. So you can use any foam applicator, you can use any microfiber applicator like a buffing waxing pad or anything. So cool. But there's the glove sauce. Now let's go on to the Hide Rehab. It's got all kind of little fancy little labels on here or symbols, but one of the very last ones is the one that I'm interested in. A little label that shows light rays bouncing off and it says UV, so that means it's got UV protectants in here. Now let's see what it says. Softens and restores, brings back natural color, non-oily, advanced UV protection, 100% unconditional guarantee. In other words, if you don't like it for any reason, they'll give you your money back. Now it's got the ingredients. I'm not going to go into all that right now. It says, well done on your choice to hydrate with Lithium Hide Rehab. Yes, we all know leather is skin. However, it may be worth revisiting this fact since companies continue to make products that you need to wear gloves and a hazmat suit to apply. Pretty much true there. Weird. We believe that natural substances should be treated with the same long-term chemicals damage and dry out leather. Thus, everything in this bottle is natural and good for both your skin and the car's. Directions. First, clean surface with Hyper Cleanse leather cleaner, which I don't have, but I'll either get it or something equal to it. To thoroughly remove dirt, oils, and grime from the pores of the leather. Then you can apply Hide Rehab soft microfiber cloth using a circular motion. In other words, like the old wax days, small circles. Rub off excess until dry with a clean microfiber towel. For really damaged leather, use a liberal amount of product and allow it to sit on the surface for several minutes. The longer it sits, the more it moisturizes. Then rub dry. Can't wait to try that either. I mean, also, these are awesome. Now, let's go to this one. Seal and Squeal. So, let's see what this bad boy says. Chocked full of active aminopolymers, protects for up to 12 months. That's going to be interesting to find out because all you know that my stuff sits outside. I have not found anything that protects for 12 months, and I haven't tried a ceramic coating yet, but nanotechnology squared, unmatched shine, unmatched protection. That's also a big statement. There's a lot of companies out there on that protection and shine. Seal and Squeal. Insane sealant polish. Yes, we know. What the hell kind of name is that? However, use it once and while you are biting your knuckles so you don't let out a man card losing screech because your paint looks so good. You will know exactly what we mean. In other words, squeal like a little baby. Made by mashing molecules of active aminopolymers with the very best sealants, Seal and Squeal offers protection, durability, and a level of luster which is totally unequaled anywhere by any product. Now that is a huge statement, and I truly hope they back it up, because if what they say on these bottles is true, my black Z28 is going to look spectacular. It looks good now, but it's going to look spectacular. Make sure the paint surface is clean and cool. If the surface is not smooth, Do your paint a favor and clay bar it. The product lasts a long time and you do not want to lay it on a contaminated surface. Use an applicator or microfiber and rub onto surface in the same direction the wind would pass over the panel. Allow sealer to remain on the surface for several minutes until it has cured and then remove. Become a sealing expert at their website. Wow, they make it sound super simple. Can't wait. And if you've watched any of my other videos, I'm having a hard time finding a product for my plastic. I've tried Chemical Guys VRT, I've tried Adams VRP, I've tried the Armor All, I've tried a couple others, and every one of them, whenever it gets wet, like in the morning dew or it rains, it leaves a streak down the side of my car. In other words, it doesn't stay, it runs off. And a couple of them have made the plastic look chalky, which is, the mothers didn't do it, but the mothers didn't last. The one before, and I'm not even going to mention their name, but you can go back in my videos and you can see where I say don't use it. It left it chalky looking and made it look dried out looking, made it look like crap. But I've gotten it back to where it looks halfway decent, but still not there. So I'm hoping that their trim serum works. Let's see what it says. Restores to original color. Like I said, it's chalky and it's gray. It's not black looking anymore, so I hope that this will do it. Formulated to outlast all others. Shields against UV rays, which anything nowadays needs to be shielded because that's what causes the problem. UV in the sun, right? Soulmate of all rubbers and plastics. Trim serum, rubber and plastic restore. We cannot tell a lie. This is honestly the best formula ever concocted for bringing plastic and rubber back to life and keeping it healthy in the first place. Man. Countless tires, countless tries got us to baseline as good as the others, but that was never the goal. We wanted to bring back more color, last longer, and protect better than anything ever available. Mission accomplished. Well, the way you apply it is, wash surface before applying, pour serum onto a clean microfiber cloth or applicator, rub into the surface in circular motion, wipe dry. For surfaces that are really damaged, allow contents to remain for several minutes before wiping dry. Pretty simple. Wipe on, wipe off pretty much. But since mine on my black car is kind of faded, I'm going to rub it on and let it sit for a few minutes like the Elixirs say and then wipe it off. Why not? If it's only going to give me more protection. And I got to contact them. I want to know if this will work on running boards. Because you know how running boards are. They get used and abused and they don't stay black long. So I'm going to contact them right after I do this video and find out. And if so, you'll see me doing the running boards on the Tahoe with this. But that's it. It pretty much covers everything. Again, Josh, I would like to thank you and Lithium Auto Care Products for sending me these products, and I will get to testing them just as soon as I can, I promise. Look for full reviews on each one of these. I apologize for taking so long already, but you know, sometimes Mother Nature just does not want to cooperate in life too, you know. But I promise you I'll get to this, and this will be the next thing that you see videos made on outside of the one I'm fixing to drop within the next day or so. This is the next things I will be doing in my car. But yeah, thank you again. Thank each and every one of you for stopping by the channel again. I greatly appreciate it. Be sure to check out and keep a lookout for these videos, because if everything does like it says it's going to, you too will be interested in getting some. But until next time, you know what I say, get out there and enjoy that car. I so enjoy doing anything, even this stuff. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
That's just my point of view. That's just my